Good. I need my gloves. Alright.
I'm not gonna revive him.
Here's my messy room. And my brother's currently playing Call of Duty on. Doing a YouTube video. Alright, here we go. I got a new seat on right now. Because I custom made seat. Full custom. And I'm gonna flip this bad girl around a little bit. like this thing because it just wants to slip. Guys, I love this bike, but it does straight up power wheels. And sometimes when you have no brakes, it's not that fun. What's that? When it wants to do that on you, it's not very fun. Alright. And also, my throttle also sucks. But, and something to ride, that's all I care about. I don't care how sketchy it is. It's green. I was going full throttle all the way through that. 39 minutes. Doesn't even feel like it's been 9 minutes. It feels like it's been 5 seconds. wish I could ride this bad boy to school. Yeah, that's what I don't like about it when it does that stupid crap. I hope you guys know I'm not even pulling up at all. say the Cummins, or the Coleman one, is all torque, no speed. And his little ones are all speed, no torque. Like, they'll take off like this. Yeah, I'm trying to cover. You can't do wheelies on them at all. Because, well, you can do wheelies on them, but it's just hard. You take off like this. That's how they take off. My mini bike takes off like this. That's also how my friend Coleman's mini bike does. My friend Coleman's mini bike is like this. Eli, shout out to you if you're watching. But his mini bike, his Coleman one is like this. That's what it's like. It's like, but then no speed. I can hardly control this one. I want some mud. Some freaking mud. He calls me Boy because that's the name that stuck with him since he was big. And I don't really let him call me by my real name. The story behind that is he's been calling me Boy his whole entire life. He calls me entirely. Is this homemade? No. This is actually a rough minibike. No clue what it started in. No clue about like basically any of the bike. All I know is it's a rough and it has this gas tank. This gas tank is really weird because I every time I start to rough mini bike up, the gas is like this. And this one is clearly not like that. So let me know if you have any ideas. This mini bike was originally red. Not the original handlebars. Original handlebars are like this, but cut off. That middle part's cut off. But next question. How old am I? Yes, I am 12. But I am 12. And my parents, which are in the house, or my parents, my mom, and then my dad. My mom, she is the one that made this YouTube channel, and she's had it since 2014. So it's basically her YouTube channel, but I post some videos on it. I post actually all videos, but I post videos on this channel, and go check out my other channel. It's Michigan Boys RCG. Yeah, go check out my other channel, and this is mainly going to be my new content from here riding my stuff. Where do I live? Michigan. Like my other YouTube channel, but yeah, Michigan, that is my YouTube. Michigan Boys is my other channel. Some other stuff about this mini bike has Predator 212 in it. And I did a few upgrades, or I did like the upgrade or two to it. I put this strip on because originally when my dad gave me this mini bike, and when he had it since before I was born, this right here, it just had hockey tape, as you can kind of see right there. This right here is my throttle. I'm getting a new one soon, so it's not gonna be bad. It does leak gas, but we gotta get some whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. This chain right here, it's brand new. That sprocket in there, brand new. Sprocket, not new. Let's see. The seat, not new. Or new, I mean. This right here, the peg fell off, so we just put this on. And it works pretty well because I don't have kickstand either. Kickstand goes like right here. This belt, not new, and this torque converter, I think that's what it's called, is not new. I just bought it. Yeah, this is an awesome little bike. Very rare too. They don't make this anymore. They do make that engine though. If you want to get that engine, just go to Harbor Freights. It should be there 100%. I used to have this in my seat. I don't really know. It's got full suspension. Originally comes with full suspension. Oh, that's not good. Originally comes with full suspension, and overall, it's an amazing bike. If you want to get a mini bike, you probably ain't gonna find this for cheap. Definitely not cheap. You're gonna find it for about the price of if you can find one like this, probably find one like this, like kind of crappy. No, it's probably gonna be, if I were to guess, $1,000, $800, I don't know. But that is my mini bike, and this is what I've been riding for the last year or two. Then I have a secret project that you guys might know about. If you watched my last video, I have a quad. I'm not going to show too much of it on this video because I decided not to. this video is gonna probably be coming out tonight or tomorrow. So, I don't know. See you next one, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.